Shopify online store. Everything you need to sell online. Selling online with your own e-commerce website has never been easier, faster, or more scalable. Impress your customers with a beautiful store. Home buddies, home accessories, kitchen chairs. Selling online has never been easier. Set up your store in minutes and bring your brand to life. Drag and drop store builders. Choose from over 70 professionals and free store themes. Customize colors, imagery, and fonts with case. No design skills required. View Shopify themes. Get paid quickly and securely. Shopify payments allow you to accept credit cards instantly and without third-party accounts. Shopify also supports over 100 plus external payment gateways. Design from mobile. All Shopify themes are fully responsive, which means your customers get a constant experience no matter how they browse your stores. Optimized for growth, leverage tools and insightful sales information to grow your business. Comprehensive dashboards. Get a holistic and detailed view of your business to better understand sales orders and audience, to better tailor your products and marketing. Marketing made simple. With Shopify built-in SEO features, automated marketing, and free educational material, you will always be one step ahead of the competition. Sell more often, boost lifetime value, and recurring revenue using apps built for Shopify. Your business managed, focus on the things you love and let us handle the rest. Shopify mobile app. Stay on top of everything even when you are away. With the Shopify mobile app. You have live access to orders, fulfillment, analytics, and more, all from your smartphone. Learn more about Shopify mobile. Shipping that makes sense. You can now get calculated shipping rates and print discounted shipping labels from Shopify, saving you up to 40% on postage. Send customers automatic tracking updates for peace of mind. Learn more about Shopify shipping. All your inventory in one connected place. Never miss a sale. Shopify inventory is synced across all your sales channels at all time. Your business is growing. Total sales $218. 8 total orders. Do even more with Shopify apps. Add features and functionality to your online stores. From drop shipping to social media marketing, the Shopify App Store has never 60,000 apps to help you start, manage, and grow your business. Explore the Shopify App Store. I'm seriously happy about running our store on Shopify. Powerful features and easy to set up. Running an online store should not be this much fun. Our customers' reviews speak for themselves. Read real customers' reviews on G2. Learn more about selling online. Start your business with Shopify. Try Shopify for free and explore all the tools and services you need to start, run, and grow for business. Learn more about selling online. How can I create an online store for free? What is the best way to start selling online? Is selling products online profitable? Start free trial. Thank you.